So your book jumps right into solving a system of equations using matrices, but doesn't really tell you what a matrix is. So I'm going to do that first, okay? A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers, okay? The size is m by n, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. Which way do rows go?
I know how to do this on a calculator.
This way. Which way do columns go? Rows go left to right, columns go up and down, vertical, right? Okay, so a matrix has size m by n. Sometimes I say RC cola, rows by columns, to keep them in order, the size. Okay, it's denoted by capital letters. Matrices are. So like if I have A equals 3, 7, 2, 5, 6, 1, what size would it be?
Would be a
Rows by columns.
would be a
2 by 3. Okay? There are 2 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. Do we see that? Yeah? Okay. Entries are written A, I, J, where I and J are the position. Okay, so for example, A, 1, 1. That's going to be first row, first column. So what entry is in the first row, first column? 3. What is A, 2, 3? 1. What is A, 1, 2? 7. What is A, 2, 2? 6. What is A, 3, 1?
invalid.
Or is it 1? Trick question. Does that make sense? Okay. Because there's no row 3. Okay. There's lots of cool properties of matrices, but I want to show you one little thing. I can take, I'm just going to make something up, I can take 3x plus 5y plus 2z equals 22, 6x minus 4y plus z equals 28, 2x plus 3y plus 5z equals 9. This is a system of equations, right? With 3 variables and 3 equations. And I can put this into a matrix. Okay, I'm just going to put it into what we call an augmented matrix. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure all of your variables are in order. And we've accounted for every one of them. X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, constants. Okay? And everything's combined. There's not multiple X's. We've simplified everything. So we're going to look at an X column, a Y column, a Z column, and a constants column. Okay? So the first equation has 3 times X. So I'm going to put a 3 right here. Has 5 times Y. So I'm going to put a 5 right here. So what goes here?
2.
2. We're going to draw a line that represents our equal sign. What goes here?
22.
22. Read off the next one.
6, negative 4, 1, 28. 2, 3, 5, 9.
Okay. And often we don't have x, y, and z in constant in front. I just did that so you could see what that lined up as. Okay, but this is called an augmented matrix. We will solve this next time using some really cool stuff.